Smoliv. From Smoliv. Ayan, Smoliv. Tama. So guys, I wanted to do a quick live and tawag dito sa butter squishy. Ang bango-bango. Ano yun? Gagawin ko? Quick live lang ako. Hindi ko matatapos. But I wanted to paint with you. I have here a very big, I think, 40 by 40 na canvas. And I wanted to paint you guys. So, I need you to answer descriptions. I wanted you to give your name, hairstyle, hair color. Okay, change my hair color. Eyes, kuwari, tapos nose and lips. Okay. Tapos face shape. Skin color. Ito, nakita nyo ba yan? So, try to imagine you guys kung anong sabihin yung description. So, kunwari ako, if I'll answer my name, Justin. Tapos, hairstyle, short hair with straight bangs, side bangs, ganyan, or ponytail, ganyan. Hair color, black. Or pwede nyo sabihin blue, purple, naman, or gradient. Tapos eyes, pwede rin description nyo ng eyes, tsaka eye color. Description nyo ng eyes ay singkit, big, droopy, puyat, ganyan. Tapos nose, matangos, pango, or small nose, ganyan, big nose. Lips, kissable lips. Ano yung lips? Mouth, in general, ganyan. Sungke, pwedeng smiling, anything. Kasi imagining ko lang kung anong description niya. Face shape, circular, pag V, ganyan. Medyo chubby cheeks, or very, pointy. Skin color, is it morena, or fair skin, ganyan. Tapos, eye color din. Okay, dapat isang drop lang para mapilian ko kayo. Si Rose Luna, ayan, ito, nagbigay agad